Welcome to Sri Digambar Institute of Technology, Dosa. I am Sadanand Parashar from Civil Engineering Department. Subject Design of Concrete Structure, lecture number 33. And in this lecture, we discuss about the topic numerical of single beam by working stress method. In previous videos, we discuss about single beam design questions by limit state method. In this video, we discuss about in working stress method. Question is, determine moment of resistance and uniformly distributed superimposed load carried by a simply supported singly reinforced concrete beam having effective span 5 meter and a cross section of 300 into 555. This is the dimension B into D, reinforced with 5 bars of 20 mm and use M20, M15 and FE 250. So in the question given is first given that beam, this is the beam and size is 300 mm, width and 555 mm. This is the effective depth. Here show that small d show effective depth. So this is the effective depth and we add the effective cover, then this is the overall depth. And also in question given is the we use M15 grade of concrete and FE 250 grade of steel. And effective span is 5 meter. So according to these dimensions, this is our diagram. This is the beam, this is tension, this is compression part, this is tension part. Here 5 bars are used of 20 mm diameter and this is the width and this is the depth, effective depth. So stress diagram is this. From the table of Indian Standard Code 456, we find the value of sigma CBC. From according to the grade of concrete, we decide the sigma CB value, which is 5 Newton per mm square. So this is the sigma CB value. This is the portion which is value of sigma CBC. Equating moment of area of concrete in compression and equivalent area of tensile steel in terms of concrete about neutral axis, which is bx square divided by 2 equal to MAST bracket d minus x. This is the formula. This is the equation. So here in this formula, m is the modular ratio. According to the Indian Standard Code, modular ratio formula is 280 upon 3 sigma CBC. Sigma CBC we already find out, so we provide the value, put the value of sigma CBC, and we find the value of m, which is modular ratio. Modular ratio, which is denoted by m. So formula is 280 upon 3 sigma CBC. 3 into sigma CBC, which is 5. So we find that value of m equal to 19. And second value is AST. In this question, given is 5 bars of 20 mm diameter. So we find the area of steel. Area of steel AST, which is n into pi by 4 d square. So here bar is n, which is 5. Pi by 4 into d square, d is 20 mm diameter, so 20 square. So AST value, which is 1570.8 mm square. This is the area of steel. So our equation, which is bx square by 2 equal to MAST d minus x. So we put all these value here. b equal to 300 into x square divided by 2 equal to m value 19. AST is 1570.8 into d minus x. d value is 555 minus x. So here, so from here we find the, finally we get this equation: x square plus 198.97 x minus 110427.24. This equation. From this equation we find out the value of x, and finally we get the value of x, which is 247.4. The value of xb is next determined to compare it with x and to know the type of the section. Next we find the value of xb. This is the depth of neutral axis. So for the depth of neutral axis, formula x is k into d, and value of k is 1 upon 1 plus k, formula x equal to kd, and value of k equal to 1 upon 1 plus sigma st upon m sigma cbc, this formula. So here we find the value of k and then put in this equation. So now we solve the xb value. Xb equal to kb into d. So first we find the value of kb. Kb equal to 1 upon 1 plus sigma st upon m sigma cbc. So we put the values KB equal to 1 upon 1 plus sigma st, which is 140. This is value taken from the Indian standard called according to the grade of steel. Here we grade of steel take Fe 250. For Fe 250, sigma st value is 140 from the Indian standard called table. And here M here 19 into sigma CBC is 5. So value of XB equal to 1 upon 1 plus 140 upon 19 into 5 into D. This is the value of XB. So solve this value, then we get 0.4 all these calculation into D. So XB equal to 0.4 D. This is the XB value. So here x equal to 247.4 and xb equal to 0.4 into D. So we put the value of D. D value is D is the effective depth, and effective depth given in question, which is 555. So we put the value D. So XB value equal to 0.4 into 555. Finally, we get the value of XB, which is 222. X value is 247.4 and XB value is 222. So this value is less than from this. So XB value is less than from X. Hence, the section is over reinforced. In this condition, when XB is less than X, then section is over reinforced. And the stress distribution across the section. So we find the value of MR. MR formula is 1/2 into sigma CBC into B into X into D minus X by 3. This is the formula for MR, moment of resistance. So we put the values in this formula. So MR equal to 1/2 into sigma CBC. Sigma CBC in this question, which is 5, into B. B is given in question, which is 300, into X. X we find the value, which is 247.4. Next is into bracket D minus X by 3. So in this question given D, which is 555, minus X by 3, X which is 247.4 divided by 3. and these are in Newton mm. So for the kilonewton meter, we all these value multiply with 10 की power -6, then we get this value in kilonewton meter. So all the calculation, so finally 1/2 into 5 into 300 into 247.4 into bracket 555 minus 247.4 divided by 3 into 10 की power -6. Then finally we get the value of, after all these calculation, we get the value of MR, which is moment of resistance. So MR equal to 87.68. Then, as the beam is simply supported with UDL over the whole span, when the beam is simply supported and completely UDL, because beam is totally UDL form, so here moment of resistance. So in this question, moment of resistance M, when we calculate simply supported UDL beam, moment formula is WL square by 8. So here in this beam, moment of resistance equal to W into L effective square divided by 8. So from here we calculate the load which in the beam, because we have the value moment of resistance and effective length value. So from here we get the value of W. So this is the formula, which is moment of resistance equal to W into L effective square divided by 8. So moment of resistance, which is 87.68 into 10 की power 6 equal to W into L effective. L effective is 5 square divided by 8. So we get, so we take all these value this side. So 8 multiply with 8, and from here 5 square divided by 5 square. So we get the value of W. Then we get the value of W equal to 28.05 kilonewton per meter. This all load with the self weight. Self weight include in this load. So we deduct in this we deduct the self weight from this load. Then we get superimposed load, because in this we find the superimposed load. So total load is 28.05. So we calculate the self weight of the beam. Self weight of the beam, which is B into D. For the self weight is volume into unit weight. So here self weight is volume. Volume is B into D into thickness. So width here 300 mm. So convert in meter. So 0.3 into overall depth. In the question given is effective depth, which is 550, and we plus the effective cover, which is 50 mm. So overall depth capital D is 600. So 600 mm. So convert in meter, then 0.6 into, we take the thickness which is 1 and unit weight of concrete which is 25. So calculate all these values. So self weight, we get the value which is 4.5 kilonewton per meter, and this self weight deduct from total load, then remaining load is superimposed load. So for the superimposed load, total load minus self weight. So total load is 28.05 and self weight 4.5. So we get the value of superimposed load equal to 23.55 kilonewton per meter. Thank you.